Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel God Psych Doc, and today I will be talking about a topic which comes as a short note in the psychiatry MD exams, MD DNB exams. So this topic is very small, but it is about a word we commonly hear in our day-to-day life, such as brainwashing. Yes, the topic is brainwashing. So if we talk about brainwashing, is basically a kind of manipulation where a person has an effect in a way that manipulating the thoughts, feelings, and behavior of a person. In psychiatry terms, we usually say it as like an identity disturbance due to prolonged and intense physical and emotional pressure, which leads to a certain ideological change, in short. So, this is seen in the context such as political reforms, imprisonment, torture, hostage situation, and cults. Yes. The process involves stages of, so it has stages, okay? It will not happen just like a chutki, but it happens in stage such as there will be first the identity crisis. The person will be thinking, who am I? What is happening to me? The second is the idealization of aggressors. Okay, this is it. If they are angry for a reason, okay, they will try to idealize it. Next is eventual will paralysis. The torture, the manipulation will be so intense that the willpower of the person, they will simply get defeated. They will have a certain kind of will paralysis. For example, the body has got paralysis and unable to move their body, so the will of a person will be paralyzed. They won't having a strong foundation of their own ideology anymore. And last, it is the traumatic infantilism. It means that the person will go into their infant stage in a way that they are literally traumatized to a level that they become like an infant who are simply, they don't have their own conscience. So they have a kid like attitude, they have kid like mentality. Okay, now they need to learn something from the other person. They have come to their kid mode, basically, their child mode. So there are different ways of brainwashing. The methods used are isolation. You simply need to isolate a person and feed them lot of things in their mind so that their ideology difference, if they have a certain thinking about a particular thing, so it changes. Next is fear induction. You induce fear. Okay, if you do like this, you will be having this punishment. You will be getting this, you know, you will be fined. So that leads to manipulation of the thoughts. Peer pressure. Okay, so there are group of people, and see, if you are doing talking to a certain person, then you will be in a huge trouble. So if the person is still talking to that person, they will stop maybe getting away from that person because of the peer pressure around, uh, you know in the society, that okay, if I talk to this person, my group will not be giving me any kind of help or any kind of social validation, so I need to stop talking to that person. Peer pressure. So that is kind of a brainwashing as well. Then monotony, having, creating a space of time, space where a person has the same kind of monotonous life, that can also lead to brainwashing. They will start thinking in a way that okay, this is it, it's not changing. So they will refrain from their um, own thinking and ideology, and they might shift to that forceful manipulation, which is brainwashing. Another way is communication control. Communication control, you simply need to cut off the sources where the media, the internet is not there, and the local government or the local policy reforms are being pushed into the brains of people. I'm not gonna tell the name of the country, but I know you know that it starts from N and K. So, you get it. And the last is method is deprivation. Simply deprive a population or an individual and make them believe that whatever it is brainwashing. So, what is the result of this brainwashing? Results can be altered identity, values and beliefs, which can lead to affective numbing. It can lead to trance states. Yes, a person can go into trance, severe dissociation, and PTSD, post traumatic stress disorder. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope you get an idea about what is brainwashing. And this was just a short video. And I hope you like the way I explained it. I made notes, handwritten notes. And if you want to add few more things and whatever you have read from your books or sources, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.